So the POOT dev just told us that the POOT Airdrop tool is finally live. So let's check it out. So basically the POOT Airdrop tool is mainly, and what airdrop tools actually do is to actually help devs and project owners to be able to airdrop their tokens to users or holders of a particular token. So let's just say I'm the POOT dev now, and let's say you're the project owner of, let's say, project like Kati. So if I want Kati holders to actually be airdropped POOT, I can use the POOT airdrop tool. So let's check it out. So first of all, you need to do what? Connect your wallet. So I have Phantom on me, so definitely I'm going to be connecting that. So once that's connected, if you don't connect your wallet, this is what you're going to see. So this is why it's important for you to connect your wallet. So then you come over to utilities, and then under utilities you select airdrop. So once you select airdrop, this is what you will see. Remember, you have to be holding some POOT, because if you're not holding some POOT, this is what you're going to see, because what POOT is the utility token for all these utilities. So then first of all, you're going to select the token you want to airdrop. So it might be POOT, it might be another token in your balance, but you just have to select the particular token. So right now I have just POOT in this wallet, so I'm going to select POOT, and then you're going to select the number of POOT you want to split. So let's just say out of this 7,600, I want to split 7,000 of it. So then here you're going to be putting the mint address. So here this is going to be the address of the tokens that, like, the people, the token that the holders have to be holding to be able to be eligible for your airdrop. So here you put the contact address of the token. And also another thing you should note, and note very well, is that the address you're putting here is an SPL token. So you can mainly use this for Solana tokens for now. Okay, I believe that eventually the dev is going to expand its reach to just be to beyond Solana tokens. So you're just going to paste the contact address here, and then the number of top wallets. So literally, top wallet holders are going to be the main people that are collecting this airdrop. So you can put, let's say, 100 top wallets, or 10 or 5, depending on how many people you want to receive this airdrop. So in this case, I'm just going to go with 50. So remember, you have to have enough Solana to create tokens for all the wallets. You understand? So once you're done filling all that information, you click send tokens, and if you have enough Solana, everything is going to send perfectly. Thank you very much for watching this video. I still remain Yaks Republic.